Well, it sort of works. I suppose you could always try doubling the battery power and burning out the motors, because that's running on 2 AA batteries. Could try twice as much. Still not terribly effective. I'll put a link in the video description to the version I made myself quite a long time ago. Probably the same time as I actually got this one in the charity shop. See, I paid £1.95 for this one. Still unopened, still sealed in its plastic pack. Don't remember when that was. It was quite a while ago. But rather than use it, I made my own, based on somebody else's design with a couple of CDs spinning. So check out the video description.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.